Hey, everyone! Welcome back to Inside Finance. Have you ever wondered if your money can make a difference beyond just growing your wealth? Today, we're exploring sustainable investing, an approach that not only aims for financial returns but also champions positive change for our planet and society. So, what exactly is sustainable investing? At its core, sustainable investing is about investing in companies that prioritize environmental, social, and governance factors, often referred to as ESG. This means putting your money into businesses committed to sustainability, whether that's through renewable energy, ethical labor practices, or innovative waste management solutions. It's an opportunity to support companies that are making a positive impact while also working to build a better future for all of us. Now, you might be wondering why this trend is gaining so much traction. One major factor is the increasing awareness around climate change and social issues. We're living in a time when people, especially younger generations, are more conscious about where their money goes. They want to ensure their investments align with their values, and that's a game changer in the finance world. A recent report highlighted that sustainable investments now exceed a staggering $30 trillion globally. That's not just a number. It's a clear signal that more and more people are prioritizing sustainable practices. Let's delve deeper into the financial case for sustainable investing. It's often assumed that focusing on sustainability means sacrificing returns, but research tells a different story. Studies have shown that companies with strong ESG practices frequently outperform their counterparts. This is partly because these companies tend to be better at managing risks related to environmental and social factors. Firms with robust sustainability strategies often see improved operational efficiency, stronger customer loyalty, and reduced regulatory risks, all of which can translate into better financial performance. Consider this. Companies that prioritize sustainability are often ahead of the curve in innovation. They tend to invest in research and development to create new products and services that meet the growing demand for sustainable solutions. This not only benefits the planet but also opens up new revenue streams, making these companies more resilient in the long run. So, if you're looking to build a strong investment portfolio, considering sustainable options might be a wise move. But how do you get started? Here are a few practical tips. First, do your research. Look for funds that focus specifically on sustainable companies. Many investment platforms now provide ESG ratings for various companies and funds, so you can easily assess their sustainability efforts. Websites like MSCI or Sustainalytics offer insights into how companies perform on ESG criteria, helping you make informed choices. You can also explore platforms that specialize in sustainable investing, which often provide curated lists of companies that meet rigorous sustainability standards. Next, consider exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. These funds allow you to invest in a diversified portfolio of sustainable companies without having to pick individual stocks. There are many ETFs available today that focus specifically on green technology, renewable energy, or socially responsible businesses. This can help mitigate risk while keeping your investments aligned with your values. Don't forget to engage with your investments. Sustainable investing is not just about putting your money in the right places. It's also about staying informed. Keep an eye on the companies you're invested in. How are they evolving? Are they meeting their sustainability goals? Being an active investor means understanding the impact of your investments and advocating for responsible practices. Let's also discuss how to evaluate the impact of your investments. Many platforms provide tools that let you track the social and environmental effects of your portfolio. You can ask questions like, what carbon footprint are these companies contributing to? Are they engaged in fair labor practices? Understanding these aspects can help you feel more confident that your investments are truly making a difference. Now, let's clear up some common misconceptions about sustainable investing. One prevalent myth is that it's too niche or complicated. The truth is, with the growing number of sustainable investment options available, it's never been easier to find something that fits your strategy. You don't have to be a financial expert to start investing sustainably. Many resources are out there to help you navigate this landscape. Another misconception is the idea that sustainable investing is only for the wealthy. That's simply not the case. Many platforms offer investment options with low minimums, making it accessible for everyone. Whether you have $50 or $5,000 to invest, you can find sustainable options that work for you. Let's also talk about the diverse range of investment vehicles available for sustainable investing. Beyond traditional stocks and bonds, you can explore impact investing, which aims to generate measurable social and environmental impact alongside financial returns. This can include investing in community development financial institutions, CDFIs, or social enterprises that are committed to creating positive change. As we consider the long-term implications, it's essential to think about how your investments can contribute to a more sustainable future. The more capital we direct towards sustainable companies, the stronger the message we send to businesses and governments about the importance of sustainability. This collective shift in investment can influence corporate behaviors and even lead to more robust policies aimed at protecting our environment. Finally, let's discuss the role of technology in sustainable investing. Fintech companies are emerging with platforms designed specifically for impact investing, providing tools that make it easier to invest sustainably. These innovations include robo-advisors that focus on ESG portfolios, mobile apps that track your carbon footprint, and even blockchain technology that enhances transparency in sustainable supply chains. As we wrap up, I want to emphasize that sustainable investing is about more than just financial returns. It's a chance to align your investments with your values and make a meaningful difference. Whether you're passionate about climate change, social justice, or corporate responsibility, sustainable investing offers a way to make your money work for the greater good. So, if you're considering diving into the world of sustainable investing, start by doing your research, exploring ETFs, and engaging with the companies you invest in. Remember, you don't have to sacrifice returns to invest responsibly. Instead, you can contribute to a movement that's not only good for your wallet, but also good for our planet and society. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Inside Finance for more finance tips. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Are you considering sustainable investing? Let's chat in the comments below. Until next time, stay savvy and invest smart.